guys, welcome back to another video. This is Xenios and today I'm going to show you exactly how I ate 3,000 to 4,000 calories every single day. So if you watch my previous video, I explained you exactly the 3 secrets for you to gain muscle mass. So if you haven't watched that, make sure you go back and watch it. I'm going to pop it right now in the cards. So I'm going to show you exactly how to do this and how easy it is to eat 3,000 to 4,000 calories. So let's do it. I only have 10 minutes to do the homemade mass gainer. This is blueberries. I added almond milk. I'm also going to add some frozen bananas and strawberries, and I'm also going to add a grenade spread, which I will show you in a few seconds. Okay, this is it. So this is Nescafe, by the way, for those of you who are asking. It's morning, so the first one has to also have Nescafe in it. I'm going to pop the macros later on in this video, so let's put it in the blender because we have to go extremely fast. Okay, so this is gonna be the first meal of the day, and right now I'm going to the gym. We have to train legs today, and I also have to train a few clients. So this is what I do every single day in the morning, and then after I come back home from the gym, which I'm going to show you, I will have again the same exact thing. Alright guys, so I'm back from the gym, and guess what I'm going to have for post-workout? It's actually exactly the same thing as before. I'm going to do my homemade mass gainer, and this is gonna be my second meal of the day. And something that I didn't add before is honey. So this is Ukrainian honey from Kiev. So if you want to have more calories, then this is what you have to add in your shake, and it also gives an amazing taste. So highly recommended. So this is how it is to have 2 meals. This is the homemade mass gainers that very famous on YouTube, by the way. They have over 1 million views, and I'm going to enjoy this right now. In around 2 hours we are going to have our first proper meal. As you guys know, I eat only 2 meals in one day, so it's 2 protein shakes and 2 big meals, and that's it. So this is a 1200 calories, actually 1300 calories meal. So this is salmon, halloumi, and I'm also going to add 1 avocado with extra olive oil. So this is what's up for lunch. So I also decided to increase the calories of this meal by adding extra Greek yogurt. This is my favorite from Fire, the 5%. This is what I always buy. I never buy the 0%. I always like to have fat in the yogurt. So this one is really the best. This is my lunch. I'm going to enjoy this right now, and the next meal is in 6-7 hours at 8 o'clock. And I'm also going to add the macros on the screen so you can see exactly what I'm eating, and let me enjoy it. Alright, when I go for the last meal of the day, which is extremely exciting, I'm sure you guys probably know what is this, so let me show you. It's Chipotle. So this is what I'm going to order. I always go for the salad. So they make you an amazing salad. I'm going to add those ingredients over here. And as you can see, this one is 1150 calories. So this is a lot of calories, which I'm going to order right now. So I have it in my basket, Deliveroo of course, and it's gonna take around 20 minutes to get it delivered to me. So let's see what we're going to get. And I just made the payment. The best food in the world is here. I'm excited, guys, to show you this. If you don't know what's Chipotle, you are really missing out. So this is what I'm going to have. It's really one of the most amazing deliveries that you can get. Ooh, look at this. So this is 1150 calories, and I'm also going to have an ice cream on top. This is not ice cream, actually, it's frozen yogurt. I mean, this is amazing. I am from Waitrose, and yeah, I'm going to enjoy this. So I'm going to enjoy this meal over here, which is amazing. And this is how I eat around 4000 calories every single day. So if you guys enjoy this video, make sure you subscribe, make sure you like this video. If you have any questions, comment them in the comment section below. And make sure you follow me on Instagram. I upload stories every single day, I upload posts, random stuff. If you want to ask me anything, maybe DM me on Instagram. So make sure you do that. And I'm going to see you on the next video. As I told you, Monday, Wednesday, and Friday is going to be the schedule of the videos. Take care, guys, and see you soon. 200, 500, or maybe 1000 more to your maintenance calories in order for you to start gaining weight. Although you need to be careful on how much surplus you are going to be in, because if you are too high on a surplus, that means you are also going to gain fat at the same time. So make sure you don't go too high.